Are you ready? 3, 2,
let's go.
1, let's go.
Hey guys, Bushcraft family back again with another video, and today we are going to be working on what I call my super tea. So many benefits in this, but we won't go over too much of the benefits or anything. But the majority thing I use it is to boost my immune system and lower my blood pressure. There's tons more benefits to this tea than I can even imagine. But I'll go over the ingredients real quick. Just 3 ingredients right there in front of you. We got hibiscus. See, it's just the flowers. It's already been dried out and everything. It's ready to go. This is rosehip. I did a live talking about this and gave a lot of information about that. So also we have blood orange. It doesn't look like blood orange too much, but it is. And that one's already sealed up. These here haven't been sealed yet, or they've been unsealed. Love that sound. Oh man, that smell. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. And the ratio, it depends on your, I don't know, your preference, I guess. Let's see here. Go ahead and get a cup out. Measuring cup. And I'm going to go ahead and put this back here so you guys see what I'm doing. A rough estimate of a cup. See it? These are just the flowers of the hibiscus, grown in my backyard. We're going to place those in here. We are going to do the same, but kind of half it, because this is a lot more coarse than the flowers. And what I like to do is, I know this is for a knife and everything. Actually, I probably have something better than that. Should have, oh, this fit in there? Oh, look at that. And this is just to break up the flowers a little bit. And you can do this in whatever batches you want. Go ahead and break it up a little bit more. And you don't have to break it up. And then we're going to put a half a cup of rosehip in there. Whoosh it around, and we have our blood orange. Blood orange I usually don't put as much in, and we'll have to chop this up quite a bit. And you're saying, oh, it's got the peeling and everything. Yeah, because that's where a lot of the benefits come from. When you eat an orange, you know, there's more to it than just the yummy parts. The peeling has so much to it. I try to break this up as fine as I can. And this is probably going to be about a half a cup here. Now I could get a knife out and chop, and but I find it's so much easier, and I don't dirty stuff up, even though my counter's all dirty. But that's what it's for, right? Anybody can have a clean counter. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and put those in there. There could be some bigger pieces. It's not going to mean much. Let's see if I can get that in there without making too much of a mess. Oops, there went an orange peel. And we can kind of mush that up a little bit more. Sounds wonderful, doesn't it? We're just trying to do this for manageable pieces. That way we can, when we get out to make some tea and stuff. Yeah, my tea mix is in a mason jar. Yeah, sorry. But yeah, you see this. This could last me a few months, depending on the season. If it's a season like now where a lot of people are getting sick and stuff, then we tend to drink a little bit more. See, I'm finding all kinds of pieces over here. Now, this I will not seal up. I'm going to go ahead and seal up my others. And like I said, I'm just making little batches. And it doesn't really matter. I could make up a bigger batch, but and if you don't use Superb, you're just hurting yourself. I mean, these lids are so much more better. Well, let's compare it. Look at the difference in the lids. This thing has very little rubber on it. This thing is like, if you could hold this in your hand, feel the difference. This little flimsy little lid compared to this lid. But anyway, we're going to keep using it because I don't like to waste things. But we're going to go ahead and seal this up. These are the ones that I won't be using right away. And as you can see, this will take a while. Oh, it's backwards. Sorry. Because there's a lot of air that has to be removed. Let me go ahead and get the next one ready. Put that up there. And when I'm ready to make my tea, I bought these disposable bags, tea bags here, that are extra wide openings like that, and you can just dump the stuff right up in there. And then it has a drawstring where you seal it up. These work so good. Did you hear that big click? That was that jar, that lid. The Superb lids. And if you're interested, you can, down in the description there'll be a code where you can use to get 10% off. That are in most cases even cheaper than the ball jars or lids, which Superb makes jars too. I don't know how this turned into it advertising, but if I can get up on there, we'll go ahead and seal that one up. For next time, I'll be able to make me another batch of this tea. And again, I won't seal this jar because I'll be using it quite a bit. So I'll just put a regular lid on it like so. And it'll be sitting here for when I'm making tea. Now, like I said, the benefits of this, the tea, the main reason I drink it is to lower blood pressure and to boost my immune system. And I wish this thing would hurry up. I think the batteries are getting low. These things are awesome though. You don't have to get your vacuum sealer out to do all this. I love that. Click. 92 pounds. This is under 92 pounds of pressure. And that is totally sealed. I'll wait to do this one so I don't bore you with the sound like a dive bomber's attacking you. But that's how we make our tea. You could probably order this stuff. You don't have to grow it yourself. The rose hip or hip, however you want to call it. My grandpa used to call it hup, but it's rose hip. The hibiscus and the blood orange. I don't know if you can find blood orange already dehydrated and stuff, but you can buy it at the store and dehydrate it yourself. That's what I did. The other herbs are all air dried. They weren't heated with a dehydrator or anything. But like I said, you just put about a teaspoon or more, depending on the size of tea that you're making, and put it in a bag or something like this, or whatever however you make your tea. This also makes some yummy iced tea. Really good iced tea. In fact, I try not to make it because I drink it up too fast. But like I said, if you're worried about all the sickness and everything that's going around right now, drinking some of this, I'm not a doctor or anything. Drinking this stuff will help boost your immune system. I'm not saying it's going to save you or anything, but it'll boost your immune system. And if you are sick, this will help get over it faster. If you have any questions, please post below in the comments below, and we will catch you on the next one. God bless.